almond flour, almond flour, arrowroot, arrowroot, baking powder, baking powder, baking soda, baking soda, balsamic vinegar, balsamic vinegar, bay leaves, bay leaves, brown sugar, brown sugar, butter, butter, cacao powder, cacao powder, canola oil, canola oil, cayenne pepper, cayenne pepper, cheddar cheese, cheddar cheese, chili flakes, chili flakes, chili powder, chili powder, chocolate, chocolate, chocolate chips, chocolate chips, cinnamon, cinnamon, cloves, cloves, cocoa butter, cocoa butter, cocoa powder, cocoa powder, coconut cream, coconut cream, coconut milk, coconut milk, coffee, coffee, condensed milk, condensed milk, corn flour, corn flour, cornstarch, cornstarch, cream cheese, cream cheese, cream fresh, cream fresh, curry powder, curry powder, dark chocolate, dark chocolate, Dijon mustard, Dijon mustard, dried basil, dried basil, dried oregano, dried oregano, dried thyme, dried thyme, dry yeast, dry yeast, edible gelatin, edible gelatin, egg whites, egg whites, egg yolks, egg yolks, eggs, eggs, evaporated milk, evaporated milk, feta cheese, feta cheese, fish sauce, fish sauce, flour, flour, garlic powder, garlic powder, gelatin, gelatin, ghee, ghee, goat cheese, goat cheese, gorgonzola cheese, gorgonzola cheese, graham flour, graham flour, granulated sugar, granulated sugar, ground cinnamon, ground cinnamon, ground ginger, ground ginger, Gruyere cheese, Gruyere cheese, heavy cream, heavy cream, honey, honey, hot sauce, hot sauce, instant yeast, instant yeast, ketchup, ketchup, kombu, kombu, lemon juice, lemon juice, liquid smoke, liquid smoke, maple syrup, maple syrup, mayonnaise, mayonnaise, milk, milk, mirin, mirin, molasses, molasses, mozzarella cheese, mozzarella cheese, mustard, mustard, olive oil, olive oil, onion powder, onion powder, oregano, oregano, oyster sauce, oyster sauce, paprika, paprika, Parmesan cheese, Parmesan cheese, pasta, pasta, pepper, pepper, peppercorns, peppercorns, pesto, pesto, pizza dough, pizza dough, raisins, raisins, red wine vinegar, red wine vinegar, rice, rice, rice flour, rice flour, ricotta cheese, ricotta cheese, rock salt, rock salt, saffron, saffron, sage, sage, salt, salt, sesame oil, sesame oil, shortening, shortening, soy milk, soy milk, soy sauce, soy sauce, Sriracha sauce. Sriracha sauce. Sugar. Sugar. Tarragon. Tarragon. Thyme. Thyme. Tofu. Tofu. Tomato paste. Tomato paste. Vanilla. Vanilla. Vanilla extract. Vanilla extract. Vegetable oil. Vegetable oil. Vinegar. Vinegar. Walnut oil. Walnut oil. White chocolate. White chocolate. White pepper. White pepper. Whole milk. Whole milk. Yogurt. Yogurt. Zest. Zest.